Hey guys, Coin Bureau is the most famous and influential crypto blogger today, and he told his 2 million subscribers what tokens to buy for the bull market of 2023. I decided to break down his video, save your time, and reveal for you the secret of how Coin Bureau selects the most promising altcoins for his crypto portfolio. So the cryptocurrency market has started to grow again, and maybe you missed the growth and you're rushing to catch the last train. Many people look only at the price when looking for projects, but miss the most important indicator of a project's success. Today, we're going to take a look at Coin Bureau's video where he talks about which projects are the most fundamental, why, and what's worth buying to make money in 2023. In his video, the author of the Coin Bureau channel took Electric Capital's report on developer activity in various projects for analysis. The fund used open source data to monitor developer activity and provided a huge 200-page report. Let's start with the more essential data for you as a crypto investor and for the entire crypto market in general. Electric Capital points out that it took 7 years of crypto development for there to be plus 1,000 new developers every month. And in the last 7 years, crypto has gained plus 22,000 monthly devs. This is the most bullish chart I've ever seen. Even despite the total bear market and the collapse of Luna and FTX, developers continue to create products in crypto. The Coin Bureau also points out that 52% of new developers came in last year. In other words, neither the bear market, the US recession, nor any problems will stop Bitcoin and the crypto market from growing globally. You and I have learned that the crypto market is programmed to grow. So which altcoins have the most growth potential in 2023 and cannot be missed? Polkadot has the strongest developer community. It is the only asset that overtakes Ethereum in terms of the growth rate of the number of active developers. If you look throughout the report, you'll see that Polkadot is mentioned a lot. The DOT ecosystem is already several times larger and more fundamental than it was in 2021, and the price is near a local bottom. Polkadot has taken care of those who fear regulation. The Web3 Foundation has officially announced that the DOT native token has transformed and is no longer a security. The foundation made sure that the SEC's version of token transformation was taken into account and took steps to ensure that Polkadot kept token holders safe and its token complied with the law. There may soon be a crucial event on the DOT chart, a golden cross. This is the crossing of the 50th and 200th moving averages. I expect DOT to rise by 700% and go back up to $50 with the bull market arrival. The next asset the Coin Bureau turned its attention to is Cosmos. The project is technically similar to Polkadot and has a rapid growth rate of developers into the ecosystem. Along with Polkadot and Solana, the number of active full-time developers on Cosmos has grown 16 times to 400 full-time developers. Cosmos provides an opportunity for other projects to build their own blockchain, which will simply and easily interact with the entire Cosmos ecosystem. For example, the most popular decentralized derivatives exchange, DYDX, announced plans to launch its own blockchain based on Cosmos. It is possible that other applications will follow in 2023. Also, DEX Osmosis, based on Cosmos, is now in the top 4 apps in terms of the number of daily active users. This shows the popularity of blockchain not only among developers, but also among the audience. On top of that, Cosmos has filled all its roadmap plans from 2017 and rolled out Tokenomics 2.0. However, the community didn't like the tokenomics and the team agreed to redo it. This is a bullish scenario for Cosmos, as the new tokenomics will be even better and more effective for real-world token use cases. Atom is holding up quite well despite the bear market. On the chart, we can see a bullish signal that could send the token's exchange rate to $100, assuming a bull market. I also agree with Coin Bureau that Polkadot and Cosmos have learned how to build an ecosystem despite the market conditions. That means one thing. When the bull market arrives, it will be a stellar time for both DOT and Atom tokens. But remember, neither I nor the Coin Bureau give financial advice. And while the mentioned projects are just at the beginning of their journey, Ethereum set a record for the number of new developers, plus 14,700. However, Coin Bureau rightly noted that out of the 15,000 new developers who joined Ethereum, half of them left development. And the current share of developers on Ethereum is only 16%. On the one hand, it talks about falling interest in development on Ethereum. On the other hand, Ethereum has 3 times more developers than the nearest competitor. Moreover, Arbitrum and Optimism hit the top in terms of growth of full-time developers in the ecosystem. And these are the blockchains built on Ethereum. Ethereum retains its position as the top 1 altcoin and foundation for all of DeFi. And in March, there will be a Shanghai update, which will open up the possibility to take Ethereum out of staking. This could be another catalyst for growth. After all, before this, many were not staking because they weren't sure if it would ever open. There will also be another powerful update to Ethereum in the 3rd quarter of 2023. It will make the blockchain even more efficient. So 2023 is full of high-profile events that I believe will push the Ethereum price up. So far, we've had the old projects, and now let's talk about the most recent and fascinating one, Aptos. Many call it the Solana killer. Coin Bureau mentioned that this project was at the top of the list of new developers for 2022. That is, there is interest from developers as well as from the audience. The explosive growth of 6 times in January has attracted a lot of interest in the token, but will the growth continue further? The project was introduced 3 months ago, so the ecosystem is still undeveloped. But I managed to communicate with Aptos representatives, and I'll tell you a secret. They have huge plans for 2023. Even now, you can link Aptos Purse to Twitter and get rewards for retweets or even send NFTs. It's a very powerful feature aimed at mass adoption. In general, almost all Aptos products are very user-friendly and user-oriented for a beginner. And where there are beginners, there's fresh money. As for the rate, Aptos reminds me of the Solana story in 2021. 90% of the tokens are held by 20 large holders. Whales can quietly manipulate the price and push the rate to $30 or $50 or even $100. The closest token unlocks will take place in November 2023, and there's plenty of time until then to pump the APT rate. Personally, I believe that if there is a bull market, Aptos will be in the lead for growth, like Solana in 2021. But you should always remember to do your own analysis. The last most interesting altcoin is Solana. The project ranks second after Ethereum in number of active developers, and this is despite all the hype after the collapse of FTX. Still, Coin Bureau wonders how Solana developers will keep their competitive edge if their language is quite complex. And here I'll point out that Solana plans to simplify its programming in 2023 and add the ability to write in more simple languages like Solidity and Python. What about the price? The token has tripled since the beginning of the year and has returned people's faith in Solana, but it's still trading at 10 times cheaper than its peak price. Locally, Solana has lost momentum for growth. Plus, it's not a new project really. And right now, fresh projects are ones getting the most attention. However, globally, Solana has survived the bear market, the blockchain shutdown, the FTX crash, and the community's hate. Now it is like a wolf that is not afraid of anything. That's why this asset is on both Coin Bureau's and my list of the most promising coins for 2023. To sum it up, Coin Bureau warns that apparently we're not at the bottom of the market yet, and the market has not turned around. If the market continues to fall, there will be an outflow of developers from projects locally, which will have a negative impact on the price as well. There is also a risk of regulation of assets by the SEC. But luckily this will not happen soon and you can enjoy the growing market. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Your Coin Post.